third leg of the journey sets off from Moyale to Mombasa via Mandera. Such an epic journey along East Africa's most volatile and dangerous region to travel. The coastal regions in the northeastern region of Kenya near the Somali border are not safe to travel due to risk of kidnapping and attacks. The dispute between Somali clans also make the region unstable and dangerous. There is increased military and police presence, vehicle convoy, and frequent roadblocks due to government of Kenya efforts to limit Somali militia attacks and gun running in the border area. The majority of attacks occur in the coastal regions and in the northeast of the country near the Somali border and have included shootings, bombings, and grenade attacks. We named this region the land of fear, where fear is not an option, but fear is permanent.
The problem is the Al-Shabaab people. Because they come from Somali, they pass through the border of Kenya, they enter to Kenya, they penetrate up to near the roads where the vehicles are passing, they attack the people. But in the few months ago, we haven't received any bad news.
Recorded any?
Yeah, we haven't recorded any incident. So, I think the people around here they are okay. But the only problem we have is the people from Somali people, Somali country, the Al-Shabaab people. So, I don't know what will happen.
But for now, what is your emotion right now, as you can see? So what are you feeling right now, currently? What are you feeling? And how are you feeling?
Terrible. And
kind of scary, fear?
Yeah, fear. You see?
All
because
right.
you don't know what will happen there. Just going.
Blindly. My name is Noor Ismail Nozzle, diesel engineer, filmmaker, storyteller. Join me as I share my passion for building trucks and traveling to the remotest part of northeastern Kenya.
I'll make you feel like nothing but a stranger now.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and remember to hit that notification bell to make sure that you catch up our weekly series of videos. This road here, as I said, is a road which linked north to central and north to the eastern part of the country. And this is the road which will lead us to Mandera, which is bordered with the Somali land. And here we are right now. What we're going to do, we're going to realize something changes. We're going to remove this flag because it seems like they don't like international organizations.
No, just change.
And this is, we're going to put it in, and I'm going to change my attire as well, and then we hit the road. It is what it is. Oh, to go. And reaching Garissa, will be bring it back.
Yeah,
that's a promise.
Watch the action. Just watch. Huh? Let them just watch what happens. The rest you interpret.
No, we promised them already where they're going to be back. So they say, well, now we are taking it for good. Now Garissa. Here we go. This now the third leg of our trip. Segment number 3. After change, everything change, flag is off. Keep going. Here we go. This is Moyale to Mandera.
Sukuba. How we're gonna play it.
What are Moyale?
See you guys.
See you guys. Let's just. Here we go. This is really the land of fear. It's in between moyale and Mandera. About what? No, you don't have to. Because the instruction was, don't pretend as you knew. Pretend as you know the. So here we are. This is in between moyale and Mandera. The little mix-up of tarmac road and rough road. And those are among the area which still have a little bit of insecurity. But we are in right now on the third leg of our expedition. Look at the map from this point here, moyale, and we are hitting the coastline, the border point, the borderline of the Somalia. And so far so good, everything's going well. Hopefully we'll reach, inshallah, we'll reach Mandera in the evening if all goes well, inshallah. Some section of tarmac road, but I think ahead we anticipate a really extreme rough road, and this is the only road which connects Mandera to moyale, or moyale to Mandera. So far so good. Here we are. There is a checkpoint here. We're gonna stop and try to talk with these people. All right. Jambo. Salama kabisa. Poa poa eh. Hivi barabara.
Unaenda aje?
Tunaenda Mandera mapi kwa hapa, ona pale chini. Netoka Malaba, tunakuja hivi, sasa tunarudi hivi alafu turudi Mombasa.
Rudi
tu. Yeah.
Toka
Malaba mpaka Lokchokyo. Tunarudi hivi. Jana tumelala Marsabit. Alafu leo tunafika Moyale, tunarudi hii Mandera, Wajir, Gordil. Mandera alafu Garissa. Overland. Finishing line Busia. Yeah. Sasa kurudi. Barabara iko sawa. Lakini kuna inachanganyika, manake kuna sections zingine ziko mchanga, nyingine iko tarmac.
Kama hiyo ukishapita sasa kama kilomita 10 utapata mchanga mali nyingine.
Lakini iko salama.
Iko salama.
Basi tunashukuru.
Safi, tunashukuru.
Haya. Ndio pa change kidogo kidogo. Here we go. And we got the update. Everything's okay so far, and still enjoy the scenery. And what I've tried to realize here, most of they have white golden ship. Alright, mountainous area. Here I think we are moving at the edge of the, on the northern, northeastern corridor towards Mandera, Wajir and Garissa. Here we go, another checkpoint here. Another checkpoint. Let's hear what the will say. There's not much. Jambo sana. Yes. Habari gani? Ndio. Tunaelekea Mandera Wajir alafu tuende Mombasa hivi. Sisi ni watalii kutoka Uganda alafu tunaibia hivi. Tulipitia una barabara.
Hamna escort yani nyinyi.
Kuna barabara kuna tatizo?
Saidia takapa huko. Mbele huko. Siku nzuri vile.
Katika siku hizi gari zinatembea?
Nadhani sasa hii inatembea lakini hamwezi enda huko usiku.
Usiku tupite. Lakini hapa kilomita ngapi mpaka kufika Mandera? Mshafika huko mbele?
250 something.
Lakini barabara je?
Barabara iko sawa, lakini unajua kutoka Takapa huko mbele ndio tuko shida.
Takapa.
Kutoka Takapa kwa town inaenda Takapa.
Mandera Wajir alafu Mombasa hivi. Haya. Unasema kufika katikati nje town gani? Town gani? Takapa.
Takapa huko mbele. Kuanzia hapa hivi ni Wajir North.
Wajir North.
Kuna town nyingine hapo inaitwa
Bute.
Wajir North. Alafu kuna iko tusenda utapata. Alafu sasa tunaelekea Mandera West kwenye Takapa.
Lakini wanatatiza kitu gani hao wanyambazi kwa kitokezea?
Lakini ukifika sasa Takapa lazima mtafute security huko Simba msimu mzuri.
Okay. Haina shida, uandika jina hiyo Takapa.
Takapa.
Okay. Na pale inapatikana?
Hapo kuna escorts.
Okay.
Takapa.
Okay.
Takapa police station na Mandera.
Okay.
Hata mkifika huko na sapigia OCS huko.
Una namba ya OCS huko?
Na bwana iko kwa simu nyingine.
Lakini Takapa tutapata. Yuko wapi Takapa?
Takapa police station.
Tufike pale alafu tuone cha kufanya.
Bas, hapo sasa muingia station. Mjieleze ndio atawapea security.
Hakuna shida.
Mtafika kitu kama saa 11 hivi.
About
100 and something kilometers.
Acha tuchape toni.
Ama mlale mkifika hapo.
Haya tufike tuone tuona kama escort iko nakubalia.
Nyingine ilipikwa hata yetu yuko ilikuwa last
ya polisi
ilipikwa hapo Ram hapo. Kama napita Ram.
Haya sawa. Here we go, the land of fear. Let us see and face it. Napeleka miraa. Hapa kama watu hawajakula miraa siku moja ugonjwa.
Siku moja? Ugonjwa.
Aye.
Hata sijaongea hata watu.
Aye.
Kula miraa lakini kwa sawa.
Aye. Is what we call it gut. Here, I think we've been having, I think I show you on the previous episode, that was the gut. Right now we are at the town beginning of Mandera. Situko na Mandera County? Yeah. We started 009. Say here we have number like 007 James Bond, 008 and 00 Wajir. Wajir na Wajia, tofauti. Iko Wajir. Kule kwa Wajia. Hiyo ni Wajir. Alafu mbele kule toka Mandera unaenda Wajia. Hey, this name sometimes confusing. This is Wajir. Lakini kudi Wajir kule Wajia. But this is Wajia what? North, south? North. We just signed out from Wajia South and we are heading to Mandera, which is the county of Mandera.
Even Mandera, some Mandera South, Mandera North.
Okay. In terms of this road, still under problematic. Only the four-wheel drive and have a good ground clearance. To be able to pass this road, this trail, rough, tough, extremely rough terrain. Enjoying the drive. just driving on the northern part of this country, and I think it's the western part of Ethiopia, with the border just a couple of kilometers, I think 10, 20. We are moving at the extreme edge of Ethiopia and Kenya. The vehicle is performing brilliantly.
I'll make you feel like nothing but a stranger now.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and remember to hit that notification bell to make sure that you catch up our weekly series of videos.